China Deputy Ambassador to the United Nations, Sun Lei, has called for patience in South Sudan political process. He said the country is still young and its journey to democracy will take time. Speaking at the UN Security Council in New York, Sun Lei asked the international community to support peace efforts led by African countries and avoid interfering in South Sudan internal affairs. He welcomed President Salva Kiir's pledge not to return the country to war and praised preparation for general election. He also urged all political groups in South Sudan remain calm, avoid violences and protect civilians. The envoy further appealed for more international support to help the country build its economy and achieve long-term development. Meanwhile, inside South Sudan, lawmakers are questioning a report that the government may host Palestinians from Gaza. Members of parliament are asking the Ministry of Foreign Affairs to give a clear explanation on whether such talks are taking place. Some MPs argue that the government has not officially informed the nation and they worry the plan could go against South Sudan foreign policy. They are demanding full transparency and want Parliament and the public to be briefed before any decision is made. Many citizens online are also asking whether South Sudan is ready to receive people from outside when the country is already struggling with its own challenges. This is today's news update. Thank you for watching.